Hello students, welcome to class 12 biology. This is fourth lesson biozoology where we are going to discuss about Mendelian disorders. So Mendelian characters, as you know, whichever is appearing in F1 generation is called as the dominant character when the parents are the homozygous condition. Okay, so you have the Mendelian disorder here. Few are discussed as examples. Okay, so why there is going to be disorder when there is no proper secretion of the enzymes and hormone? We just come across with the disorders. Okay, so these disorders are the albinism, thalassemia, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia and Huntington's chorea. So few of the disorders are described here. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder. So please note it down. In the question paper it will be asked like what are autosomal recessive disorder under Mendelian inheritance. Okay, thalassemia is autosomal recessive disorder. Underline that. It is caused by gene mutation. What is mutation? Sudden change in the genetic makeup resulting in excessive destruction of RBCs. Okay, so but there is no RBC in enough quantity. Because of this destruction due to the formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecules. Normally hemoglobin is composed of 4 polypeptide chains. That is, we are going to learn about the peptide chains in the hemoglobin, that is alpha and 2 beta globin chains. Thalassemia patients have defective either alpha or beta globin chains and the production of the abnormal hemoglobin molecule resulting in anemia. Okay, so thalassemia is classified into alpha, beta and hemoglobin is affected. It is controlled by the genes which are closely linked HbA1 and HbA2 in the chromosome number 16. Okay, so chromosome number 16 only is responsible for the production of the hemoglobin. Okay, so there is mutation. What kind of mutation? Deletion type. If it is going to be one or more of 4 alpha gene alleles, that causes the alpha thalassemia. If it is going to be beta thalassemia, the production of the beta globulin chain is affected. Follow? So which is present in chromosome number 11. So chromosome number 11 is responsible for the formation of the beta hemoglobin. It is most common type of thalassemia and it is also called as the Cooley's anemia. Thalassemia is otherwise called as the Cooley's anemia. In this disorder, the alpha chain production is increased and damages the membranes of the RBC. Then coming to phenylketonuria, it is a disease that is easily found with the inborn error of phenylalanine metabolism. It is due to the presence of the deletion or the mutation in autosomal recessive gene. Autosomal recessive gene, underline. It is caused due to the mutation in gene PAH, phenylalanine hydroxylase gene. Okay, so located in chromosome number 12. Okay, so for hepatic enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, this enzyme is essential for conversion. You can see here in this reaction phenylalanine is getting converted into tyrosine. Okay, in the presence of phenylalanine hydroxylase, phenylalanine hydroxylase is the enzyme that is helping in converting phenylalanine to tyrosine. Okay, so here affected individual lack this enzyme, so phenylalanine is getting accumulated. Phenylalanine is not becoming tyrosine at all because there is no enzyme. Why there is no enzyme? The gene responsible for the production of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is not present. Follow, it has gone because of the mutation. So it is causing the accumulation of phenylalanine. If it is going to be accumulated, it is characterized by several mental retardation and light pigmentation of the skin and hair, and phenylpyruvic acid is excreted in the urine. So when this phenylpyruvic acid is excreted in the urine, when it is exposed to air, it becomes black in color. So newborn babies, if you see the urine is passed and it is turning into black color, it is a symptom of having the phenylketonuria. Then coming to the next disorder, albinism. Albinism, it is an inborn error. You can easily find the organism or the human having the albinism where there is no black pigmentation at all. throughout the body it is white in color, even the hair. Okay, so absence of melanin is responsible for this condition. Why this is not being produced? Why this melanin is not produced? Dopa is 3,4 dihydroxyphenylalanine. I repeat, 3,4 dihydroxyphenylalanine is getting, it should get converted into melanin. It is not happening because tyrosinase enzyme is not present. The gene responsible for the production of tyrosinase enzyme is not present in the body. So this dopa is not getting converted into melanin. So the organism is not possessing the melanin pigment, throughout it is white in color. Next condition is called as the Huntington's chorea. It is autosomal dominant lethal gene in man. Underline this, autosomal dominant lethal gene in man. It is characterized by the involuntary jerking of the body, involuntary movement, pulling movement of the body, and progressive degeneration of nervous system. So nervous system is responsible for all our memories. So it is accompanied by gradual mental and physical deterioration. The patient will get affected by the disease, and they may usually die at the age of 35 to 40. Okay, so that's all for this inheritance of the Mendelian disorder. With this, we have completed discussing all the headings in this 4th lesson. Your homework is to learn this Mendelian disorder, and you please write key points for the full lesson in your classwork, and you can submit it for correction. So with this, we are ending with our 12th standard portion video class. Thank you, and all the very best students. Thank you.